Yeah, welcome to my channel. Here I will be teaching you how to use Coreldraw. If you are a beginner or you have been using Coreldraw before, this channel is for you. Yeah, I will be teaching you how to use Coreldraw, how you can use it for your personal design and even for your own to do a design for someone, a client. You can master how to use it here. Let's open a new page. I want the meaning based and just click OK. That is a new page. Now this is how Coreldraw interface looks like. This is how it looks like. You have your Canva, and then the space. Once your Canva is the space that you'll be working on. And now, before we go deeply into Coreldraw, there's something you need to know that I would like to start from, which I believe will help everyone. You need to know each and every function of these tools. This here are called tools. These are the tools, all the tools you need when it comes to using Coreldraw. Even Photoshop, any other application that design has tools. You must work with tools. Even physically, when you are working as a mechanic, you have your tools, right? As a painter, you have your tools. Everyone has a tool. As a barber, you have your tools. Understand? So everyone must have the tools. So likewise, this Coreldraw has his own tools. We have the tools, and you must master each and every tools. One thing about even physically in what you do, mechanic, there's some mechanic that's where they know you say, oh, this mechanic is very good. He knows how to operate on this car, this and that. When you get to another place, you will find out that that mechanic is even more good than the other one you've seen earlier. So that is one thing about even this design software and every other aspect. We are good than ourselves, better than ourselves. Yeah, what I will tell you, I might not be 100%, I might not be that good, but I'll just be trying my best. And I would like you to follow me, to subscribe, and but I'll be doing my best. I just want to share my own knowledge, what I know, how I know it with you, so that you can start from somewhere. Yeah, you can be better than I do, I believe that, but just subscribe, follow me, and I like what I do. Thank you. So here I'll be showing you what these tools are used for, each and every one of them. So before we go into anything, we'll be talking about the tools one after the other. I believe that is where you need to start from. Yeah, I won't be boring you. I won't be like there are so many stories, but let's just go into what. But first and foremost, we need to know the function of the tools. Like this first one is called the pick tools. What is the pick tools used for? Like for example, we have an object here, right? With this object, you can't move the object. You can't move it. You only be getting another object. There's no how you can move. You can see you can't move it. Even if you click on it, you can't still move. You still be getting another object. So that is why pick tools comes in. Like let's pick the tools now. You can see, go there, click on it. You can see I can move the objects from one place to another. I can move them, I can separate them. You can see I can even rotate with pick tools. Can you see? I can do anything I like with it. So with the pick tools, so without the pick tools, there's nothing you can do. Right? So it's more than that. Like the Coreldraw version I use here give me details on what the tools does and even explanation. Like now, let's see what is written here. Let's see what is written here. Move, scale, and stretch object. As you can see, to move an object, drag it, right? To contain the movement to the horizontal or vertical axis. Hold down Control while dragging. Like what is this analysis saying? You can move object from one place to another, right? As you can see. So when you hold down Control to move tools, is still functioning. Like that is if you are using mouse. If you are using mouse, you don't need to hold down Control. You can see I can move it by just clicking on right clicking, then move. I mean left click and move. But if you are not using mouse, you have to Control, then move. But yeah, I'm using mouse. It is very good to use mouse anyway when you are working on computer, especially designing application that design Photoshop, any other application. It is very good. It makes your work easier. So pick tools is used to move objects from one place to another. It's used to transform objects. It's used to, you can see, transform it, adjust it. You can see, I can rotate it. You can see what I'm doing with pictures. So that is the function of pictures. I believe you get, I won't be bothering you, won't be treating everything at the same time. This will be a video, a one-step video, one after the other, so that you can just go, if you are new with Coreldraw, get the Coreldraw application on your system. You can get all the soft pirated copy from this computer stuff. They can help you install it on your system. You can download it, but they download if you are not using Wi-Fi, like you are not where there's free Wi-Fi you can use. I won't advise download because it consumes a lot of data. So you can just buy pirated one or all this. Go to all this engineer, they have it on their flash. They can just help you install it on your computer. So now you can start something. You can learn something, you can start doing something. So this is the function of pictures. Pictures are of different, 3 different pictures, as you can see. We have free and pick. Then we also have free transform. You see? You can just play around. You can play around. Just know how these tools function. But the main one here is the first one, pick, whereby you can use to pick objects, reduce objects, adjust objects, and do anything, as you can see. So the main one here. So just play around, go to your computer, check the pictures, and start doing something. In the next video, we'll be talking about the shape tools. Edit a curve, object, or text character by manipulating nodes. Then we'll be knowing what shape tools is all about in our next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like what I do. I know you are good, you are better than I do in what you do, but just like what I do. Yeah, thank you.